how to choose the solar power system to use in their homes, or which model, which one is the suitable for them to use. So this part is how to choose the solar power system. Number one is consider of your installation area. For example, if you have the installation area of 60 kilowatt meters, you can include the solar panel in the roof or in the roof. So if you will use the solar panel is the 350 watt, and the installation area of each panel is 2 kilowatt meters. So total 30 solar panels can be installed. The total power of the 30 solar panel is the 10,500 watts. Then you can choose the 10 kilowatt solar power system for you to use. If you the installation area is not a 60 kilowatt meter, you can show us how many area you have. Then we can, according to your installation area, to design